Gently disconnect the fuel line from the inlet port of pre-filter and cover both the filter inlet and the fuel line with protection caps. Disconnect the primer from the pre-filter and cover the filter outlet as well as the primer with corresponding protection caps. Disconnect the other end of the primer from the main filter and cover both the filter inlet and primer with corresponding protection caps. Gently disconnect the remaining fuel lines from the main filter and cover the ports with protection caps. Now disconnect the water in fuel sensor present in the pre-filter before removing the filter from the mounting bracket. With appropriate socket and torque wrench as mentioned in the service manual, loosen the pre-filter mounting screws from the mounting bracket. Remove the pre-filter from the mounting bracket and keep it in a clean polythene cover. Now, remove the main filter from the mounting bracket by using the socket and torque wrench. After removing the main filter from the mounting bracket and dispose it. Place the removed pre-filter over a clean cloth and clean the entire surface with another cleaned cloth. Fix the pre-filter to a fixture and unscrew the top cover with suitable torque wrench and socket. Carefully lift the filter top cover with a screwdriver without damaging the top cover O-ring. And remove the old cartridge inside the filter. Replace the old cartridge with a new cartridge and carefully place the new cartridge along with the top cover inside the filter. Press over the top cover of the filter for proper seating of the top cover. Now tighten all 4 screws alternatively with adequate torque as mentioned in the service manual. Fix the new main filter to the mounting bracket by providing adequate torque as mentioned in the service manual. Now fix the pre-filter to the mounting bracket by providing the adequate torque as mentioned in the service manual. After mounting the pre-filter to the mounting bracket, connect the water in fuel sensor properly. Now connect the fuel line from tank to the pre-filter inlet by removing the protection caps. Connect the primer to both the pre-filter as well as to the main filter. Also connect the fuel lines from pump and tank to the main filter by removing the protection caps. After connecting all the fuel lines, check for any fuel leakage in the fuel lines through visual inspection.